What's going on, guys? I'm Gabe Ocean with NiceKicks.com here with another unboxing for you guys to check out. Now, I'm not in high school, shout out to Side Springs class of '07, but being 6'4" with a 30+ inch vertical, I definitely would have been in the Powerade Jam Fest this year. But the question is, what would I wear? Let's just say, I got two options. Let's get into it. So for this year's McDonald's All-Americans, the Hot Flyers of the Slam Dunk Contest had their option of two different Adidas Dame 5 Powerade PEs, with some of them wearing both at the same damn time. Full of flavor, let's take a look at the Mountain Berry Blast and the Lemon Lime colorways of the Adidas Dame 5 Powerade PE pack. Totally tonal, both of these shoes sport solid uppers of either blue or green with Dame branding on the tongue and a Jam Fest graphic on the back of the shoe. Then we have Powerade branding on the medial side of the shoe, making this collab official. On its 5th iteration, the Dame is definitely built to ball. Similar to previous shoes in the Signature series, we have bounce cushioning for court comfort and phenomenal feel. Crafted for control, on this shoe we see a banking barrier on the lateral part of the shoe, similar to the Adidas Next Level. Make sure you check out that unboxing, while the padded collar keeps the leapers locked in. Lastly, on the outsole, we see a zonal herringbone pattern for simple yet pinpoint traction. So while these shoes might be a head turner, especially if you're performing aerial acrobatics, the question is, are these kicks nice? Pull up on me in the comment section and let me know. So with that said, I'm Gabe Ocean with NiceKicks.com, telling you to like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at NiceKicks. Follow me on Instagram at NiceKicksGabe, and keep it locked to NiceKicks for more. Thanks for watching.